Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. This time, a Salmon Poke Bowl. First, we're gonna make a homemade teriyaki sauce. And I'm gonna use some kikkoman soy sauce. And I used about 5 tablespoons. Now some garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. We're also gonna add some mirin. And about 1-2 tablespoons. Some chili flakes. Sake. I love some sake. 5 tablespoons. A big squeeze of honey. Now mix it all together. I bought this fresh salmon. It looks absolutely beautiful. But it has some skin and I don't want that. I'm only gonna use half of it. Now, let's see. We're gonna trim it away. And I never really done it before, so let's see. Well, almost perfect. Don't throw away the skin. It's really delicious if you bake it in the oven. Now let's dice up the rest. And I made about 1 centimeter pieces. Now put it away for now. Now we're gonna make the sushi rice. Hey, it's me. Hi there. I made about 300 grams of sushi rice. I use a rice cooker. That's so easy. In about 25 minutes, it's all done. Now look at that. Beautiful. Let's cook the salmon. I use some avocado oil. Then our marinade or teriyaki sauce. Heat it up and put in the salmon. Let it simmer for a while. And when it's almost done, put in some spring onions. Delicious. Now take it off the heat. Let's plate. First, a layer of sushi rice. And I put on about 150 grams of sushi rice. Now let's add our beautiful salmon. It smells already amazing. Also added some edamame beans. They're really nutritious. Some thinly sliced cucumbers and red onions. Or spring onions. I really love those. Some white sesame seeds. And a little bit more of that teriyaki sauce. It's ready. It's delicious. Now look at that. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the dish. And if you're new, then subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up and hit that bell. And as always, see you next time.